Hi there, I'm Chris Ermides with This Old House. We're back at our Fairfield County farmhouse build where, as you can see, a lot of progress has been made. Last time we were here, we learned about the interior. We got to walk around, learn a lot about the space. Today, we're going to focus on the exterior, learn more about the builder's vision for what's going to happen outside.
Hey Chris,
Jerry.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
Tons of progress. You guys are moving along.
We had a great winter here, weather-wise.
So dry-in stage
Yep.
will be practically complete, if not totally complete.
Yep.
And then after that, that's a huge milestone for you.
We've got plumbing, HVAC going on. The electrician's in there now. Just started Monday, so we're in good shape.
Great. All right, well, we're excited. Can you give us a tour? Show us
Sure.
what's happening
We'd
out
love
here?
to. Yeah,
Right,
we'd
let's
love
do
to.
it.
So this is the front entry to the home. We've situated the house to maximize the views. So, you know, you have your front entry, door system is on order. So we got a 3-car garage. 2 are your standard height ceilings. And we added this third one on to take advantage of having nothing above it so I can get a 2-car lift here. So it has a cathedral ceiling with skylights for light and ventilation, for security. There's no windows or doors other than the garage doors. And it'll be pretty cool to have a lift, and I'll be able to get a 4th car up on the lift. We got a lot going on over on this side of the house. The main feature being an outdoor shower. We're going to do some corrugated steel panels, and this is actually stepping stones with an orchard with some specimen trees going here to kind of protect the outdoor shower. We've got some venting for the furnace up there. The stepping stones will come here, now opening to the big patio with a golf, putting, and chipping green. It's going to have a little plunge pool right here, a 13x7 plunge pool. We'll have a fire pit over here with some seating. And this screened-in porch will have an outdoor kitchen, a grill, refrigerator, sink, phantom screens that will go up and down on push button. This section of the screened-in porch will have a Velux skylight to put some natural light into the grilling area, and then we'll have the Velux sun tunnels going up through the middle of the house to get natural light into the pantry and hallways and places that don't have windows.
Tell me what's going on here. I'm guessing this isn't the ideal spot for this.
No, unfortunately, a 400 amp service takes up a lot of space, and it has to be visible from the street. And my landscape architect, Kevin Moses, assures me that we're going to have just the right landscaping to hide that, so it won't be a problem.
All right.
We've got some cedar, western red cedar, barn siding going up from Ring's End. They wire brush it, and they put 1 cone of semi-transparent Benmore stain on it. Then we have some stone, thin stone. It's real stone that's cut and put up on that foundation. So this will be the actual grade. This will be a sliding door coming down to an Adirondack patio. So this should be, of course, this part of the house has the view that is
really nice.
Is really the heart of the home. So this will be a pretty cool little patio with a couple Adirondack chairs and a couple steps up to the main living area.
All right, well, it looks like those 2 casements are in, and we've got 1 slider
One more
to put
to go.
in.
One more.
Hay que esperar por el video.
All right, Eddie, so what's the first thing we have to do to get this unit installed?
Now we gotta, check the rough open, make sure it's right, and the level for the frame, make sure everything's it's good.
So we want to measure the opening and then check it out against the door?
Yes.
All right,
Yep.
I'll take the dumb end.
The floor, it's pretty good. That one's pretty good.
Opening's all level and plumb. What do we do next?
The flashing.
Okay.
All right.
Great. hole in this corner here. It's the nice thing about this stretch tape is that it's a nice good seal right in that corner. This is giving us a nice air seal around the sheathing. It's the rough opening. Also giving us some protection against any wind-driven rain. Importance in these situations. This rough openings is water management, air management, and then thermal management. We're going to set the metal pan right in caulk?
Yeah,
okay.
and the caulk is going to go underneath.
Okay.
Right? And after that, we're going to put another caulking over top of the pan.
Okay.
Now we put the pan.
So what is this? Why this lip here?
So this is gonna hold the water, keep the water out, make sure.
Nothing can get under and out?
Yep.
Okay. And the door will just sit tight to this right here?
We're gonna make sure, the door seal is gonna, stick on this one, and we're gonna stay on the floor, never gonna have a crown. So
it keeps everything nice and flat?
Yeah.
So every layer is adhered to the next, and the sill stays connected to everything, stays nice and flat, so that the door just keeps.
And you're not gonna have a problem, in the future.
All right. Are we ready to put this beast in?
Yeah. Yep. You grab the handle. Okay. Then we're gonna hold the door so it don't fall down. Right. You can, tip to us a little.
Okay.
Be careful. Ok. Vai dois lá dentro agora.
You want me to get this one?
Yep. Pra fora e pra dentro. Vai mais pra dentro,
We're ready to nail off the flanges. We're using 2-inch nails here. That's what Marvin calls for this. Now this flange is really just to secure it in the opening as it all gets flashed and everything, but the real structural connection is going to happen on the inside. We're going to put some screws, long screws in. Yep. So those triangular pieces that he's putting in right now are required by Marvin. Marvin ships the unit with the flanges folded down, and essentially that protects the flanges during shipping, and then when it gets on site they get folded up and there's that corner that's open, and these pieces seal that corner, and when we flash the flanges we're actually rolling it up onto the jamb. And then what do we do? Catching the track?
Yeah.
Okay. This is really nice. This glides really smoothly. All right. Yep. Thanks. Thanks for letting me help you out.
Yep.
So up here on the roof, we got a couple different things going on. On the main section of the roof, we've got architectural asphalt shingles from GAF. It's a new product of theirs, American Heritage. And then right here on the barn, as a nod to the farmhouse style, we've got a standing seam metal roof going on. And they're installing a specialty GAF underlayment there. What this does is it protects the sheathing underneath it from any water that might get in behind the metal if that ever happened. And then it also provides fire resistance, this particular product. It's a little thicker than is normal for an underlayment material, and it's actually got a texture to it as well, so it's easier to walk on. And now that this is down, the rest of the metal can go on, and the metal roof will be done. good. It's nice and clean. That's it for now from the Idea House build. Thanks for tuning in. Next time, we'll be installing a sun tunnel. Until then, I'm Chris Ermides.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.